Ever wondered how millionaires built their wealth from scratch? It's a question that stirs the imagination, isn't it? Well, the journey to financial success is often less glamorous than you might think. It starts with setting clear and achievable financial goals. Next, it's all about mastering the art of budgeting and saving, making every penny count. Then, it's about investing wisely, whether it's in stocks, real estate, or your own business. Furthermore, it's about leveraging multiple income streams, creating a steady flow of wealth. But most importantly, it's about nurturing the right mindset, a mindset of abundance and resilience. Ready to begin your journey to financial success? Let's dive in. The journey to $1 million begins with setting clear financial goals. Like a compass guiding a ship, financial goals give direction to our money, steering us towards our ultimate destination, financial freedom. First off, it's essential to define what financial success looks like for you. Is it $1 million in the bank, owning a house, or perhaps being debt-free? Once you've identified your destination, break it down into achievable milestones. Think of these as the signposts on your journey, marking your progress and giving you cause for celebration along the way. But setting goals is not enough. To keep your financial journey on track, you need strategies to stay motivated and focused. Consider creating a vision board to visualize your goals, or setting reminders to review your progress regularly. Finally, don't forget to factor in flexibility. Life is full of surprises, and your financial plan should be able to adapt to unexpected turns. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. So set those financial goals, make your plan, and embark on your journey to becoming a millionaire. Budgeting and saving are the cornerstones of wealth accumulation. We often overlook these two elements, but they are the very foundations of financial freedom and prosperity. So let's dive in and explore how you can harness the power of budgeting and saving. Let's start with budgeting. It's about more than just tracking your income and expenses. It's about taking control of your money, understanding where it's coming from and where it's going. Creating a budget helps you identify wasteful expenditures, prioritize essential expenses, and plan for future goals. But remember, a budget is not set in stone. It should be flexible, adapting to your changing financial needs and circumstances. Now, how do you stick to a budget? The key is consistency. Make it a habit to review your budget regularly, ideally every week. This will keep you accountable and help you spot any deviations early on. Use tools and apps that simplify the process and make budgeting less daunting. Don't get discouraged if you slip up. Remember, budgeting is a skill, and like any skill, it improves with practice. Now, let's move on to saving. Maximizing your savings is not just about cutting costs. It's about making strategic choices that allow your money to grow over time. Start by setting aside a portion of your income for savings, ideally at least 20%. Automate your savings to eliminate the temptation to spend. And remember, every little bit counts. Even small amounts can accumulate into a substantial nest egg over time. To reduce expenses, consider both big and small changes. Maybe it's swapping that daily gourmet coffee for a homemade brew, or perhaps it's downsizing your living space. Evaluate your lifestyle and identify areas where you can make adjustments without drastically impacting your quality of life. Remember, the road to financial freedom is a journey, not a race. It's a gradual process of making smart choices and cultivating good money habits. But the rewards are well worth the effort. As the saying goes, it's not about how much you earn, but how much you save. So start budgeting and saving today and watch your wealth grow. Investing is the key to multiplying your wealth. A nugget of wisdom that rings true for many of the world's wealthiest individuals. It's not just about amassing money, but about making that money work for you. The first step is understanding your options: stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, and even starting your own business, all present unique opportunities for growth. Stocks, for example, offer a share in a company's future profits. Bonds, on the other hand, are essentially loans you give to companies or governments who then pay you back with interest. Mutual funds are a collection of stocks and bonds managed by a professional, allowing you to diversify without having to buy each individual security. Real estate can provide both rental income and value appreciation, and starting your own business, well, that's the dream of financial independence incarnate. Yet, with every investment comes risk. It's essential to manage these risks wisely. This is where diversification comes into play. By spreading your investments across a variety of asset classes, industries, and geographical locations, you can mitigate the risk of a single investment failing. It's the old adage of not putting all your eggs in one basket. But investing isn't just about diversification, it's also about thinking long-term. The stock market, for instance, can be a rollercoaster ride. There will be ups and downs, but over time, historically, the trajectory has been upward. By adopting a long-term perspective, you're less likely to make impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. But remember, the investment world can be complex and can take time to navigate effectively. So, don't rush. Take your time to learn, understand, and make informed decisions. After all, as Benjamin Franklin once said, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. And therein lies our closing thought for this segment. The best investment you can make is in your financial education. Because when you understand the rules of the game, you're far more likely to win. Now let's move on to the magic of multiple income streams. Why rely on a single income when you can have multiple? That's the million-dollar question when it comes to wealth creation. Multiple income streams can act as a financial safety net, providing extra security and flexibility. The magic lies in leveraging these avenues to work for you, even while you sleep. Think of it as a river. A single income stream is like one tributary feeding into your wealth river. But imagine if you had several tributaries, each contributing to the flow. The river becomes more powerful, more resilient to droughts, and ultimately, more capable of creating a lush, prosperous landscape. There are countless ways to create multiple income streams, from real estate and stock market investments to starting a side business or freelance gig. The key is to identify income-generating assets that align with your skills, interests, and financial goals. Passive income opportunities in particular are a golden ticket. These are income streams that require minimal ongoing effort, allowing you to earn money while focusing on other ventures or simply enjoying life. Examples include rental income, royalties from a book, or earnings from a blog or YouTube channel. However, remember that these income streams often require an initial investment of time, money, or both. It's essential to do your due diligence, understand the risks, and make informed decisions. Diversify your income, just like you would diversify your investments. By creating and nurturing multiple income streams, you're not just building wealth, you're building a sustainable, resilient financial future. Your mindset can be your greatest asset or your biggest obstacle. This statement rings true, especially when we're talking about financial success. The road to becoming a millionaire, believe it or not, starts in your mind. Think of your mindset as the driver of your financial vehicle. It decides the direction, speed, and navigation of your journey towards wealth. A mindset fixated on scarcity and limitations will inevitably lead to a path of financial struggle. On the other hand, an abundance mindset, one that sees opportunities and possibilities, can open avenues to wealth and prosperity. But adopting this millionaire mindset isn't about wishful thinking. It's about resilience, persistence, and an unwavering belief in your ability to create wealth. It's about seeing obstacles not as roadblocks, but as stepping stones on your path to financial success. Remember, setbacks are inevitable on this journey. There will be times when your investments don't pan out, or your savings take a hit. But the millionaire mindset doesn't buckle under pressure. It learns, it adapts, and it keeps moving forward. Cultivate this mindset. Practice resilience in the face of setbacks. See abundance where others see scarcity. And most importantly, believe in your ability to become a millionaire, not as a distant dream, but as a tangible, achievable reality. Believe you can, and you're halfway there. That's the power of the millionaire mindset. Let's recap the steps to building wealth from scratch. The journey starts with setting clear financial goals. These are your guiding lights, milestones that chart your course to millionaire status. Remember to keep them achievable and to stay motivated and focused. Next, harness the power of budgeting and saving. A well-planned budget is your roadmap, and saving is the fuel that propels you forward. Save diligently, cut unnecessary expenses, and watch your wealth grow. Investing wisely is the golden goose that lays the wealth egg. Diversify your investments and think long-term. Whether it's stocks, real estate, or entrepreneurship, choose wisely and manage your risks. Leverage multiple income streams. Identify and capitalize on income-generating assets. Balance risk and reward. Above all, cultivate the millionaire mindset. Embrace abundance, resilience, and persistence. Overcome obstacles and setbacks. Your journey to $1 million starts today. Make it count.